My friends, ladies and gentlemen, the Shiba Army and investors, today I'm going to take a Shiba Fun Facts perspective because we see a question that pops up on a regular basis in media, and that's about will an $850 investment in Shiba Inu make you a millionaire? Now, an $850 investment in Shiba Inu blowing up your bank account with seven-figure gains seems a little bit too good to be true. Now, while it's possible, and I underscore possible, an $850 bet on Shiba Inu could make you a millionaire, it is extremely unlikely. But first of all, we have to look at the supplies where it's currently is. And supplies of Shiba Inu coin is currently at 549 trillion. And so there's a huge amount of supplies. And what needs to happen is that, of course, it needs to be reduced. And the way you reduce supplies is through burning. And the burnings has to be in trillions before it start to make any impact. Now the burning rates now after the Shibarium relaunch has kicked in, and we're seeing a positive trend upwards towards the billions now on almost on a daily basis. But still, it's way away from where it needs to be. And do I anticipate that it's going to come up to a level where we need it to be? Yes. But it still is a while before we're going to see a penny, because that is where you need to be with an $850 investments today to become a millionaire. So, and if we look at the history of Shiba Inu, from which Shiba Inu is a little bit over 3 years old now, and 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 even at the all-time high, it was not even close to a penny. And I've been investing now with Shiba Inu for 2 years, and I have not seen a penny. So, and I use a strategy where I invest between $30 to $100 a week. Sometimes it can be a little bit more, and even sometimes also a little less. But usually it's a little bit more. Uh, and over time, it has become more than $850 I have put into Shiba Inu. But still, I have not seen anything remotely close to that a penny, or something that should make my perception that I was going to be a millionaire tomorrow. So we need to be a little bit realistic in this picture, because first of all, this is cryptocurrency we're talking about, right? And even stocks itself, which is more safer than cryptocurrency, is also volatile. But cryptocurrency is extremely volatile, and is so much that has to happen for the a cryptocurrency like Shiba Inu to reach a penny. Like we had to see major uh, interest in the market towards Shiba Inu, and even with Shibari, while we've seen an increase in investors, and we have seen an increase in large investors, which we call the whales, have put in more or larger investment into Shiba Inu. But still, we have not seen that this has been dramatically affected in the price. Now, the future of Shiba Inu looks very bright. Despite that, because we have to also look at the economy in general, and the economy is struggling in general. So we see the stock market goes up and down. We see now the crypto market over the last couple of years have been bleeding like we are in what we call the bear market, or as I define as the winter. So we see is like that for a couple of years now that we've seen the the perspective I have here from Coin Market Cap show the how the price have been since the beginning, and we've seen it been in the lower end now for a good time with some variations up and some variations down. But in all it what we call this is that Shiba Inu is still within the consolidation phase. Now there can be periods where within the consolidation phase you have a top and you have a bottom, and the Shiba Inu can break out either way. It can break out up or it can break out down. And that's what we have seen with Shiba Inu for the last couple of years. It's gone up and it has gone down. And we anticipate that we're going to see that it's going to soon again break out of this consolidation phase where it's going to break up, is what we see the trend. And where it will go, we don't know at the moment. It's all going to depend on how the projects that is onboarding Shiba Inu is responding. Are they going to burn? Are we going to burn? And that's what we need to see now with Shiba Inu and Shiba Inu, is that we as a community need to come together. That's what I'm working for. That to help the community, we have to do as a community. We have to do our own burn. We have to support the onboarding projects. We have to support all the legs of Shiba Inu for this to become a success. Because we need new investors and we need new large investors to trust in the process, trust that we are there to back them up. Now, and we need the whales also to be part of this process to help us burn. Uh, but we are the ones that's going to be the majority, the ship army. We as long-term holders, we are the ones that have to be the driving force. Is there somebody that's going to come in after me and put a lot of money in that's going to make more money than me? Yes, there's going to be, but that's like I can't worry about that. My purpose is to look at myself. My how am I going to prosper? How am I going to gain from this? How am I going to get the return I'm looking for? Because and the way I'm going to get that is by helping myself, by helping you, by helping the community. That's what it is. It's like we have to take these narratives away from the fud puppets or envy or jealousy, but look at ourselves, because for me this is about I want to reach fulfillment within this, so I can give back to myself, give back to my family, give back to my community, give back to you guys, give back to the charities I care about, and and and, and for that to happen, it's like we have to work together and see the momentum and be part of this movement, because this is a movement driven by the people for the people, and that's what Shibarium and Shiba Inu is all about. That's how we're going to see these huge spikes of green going up again, up to a level that we have seen before, but we don't want to just to be go up to a level at the all-time high that we have seen before. We wanted to surpass that and go up to that penny that we all dream about, and where we can become prosperous. I don't focus on millionaire. Millionaire is not in a goal that I have, My goal is to become independent. So I'm in a position where I can buy back my time again, and reach fulfillment that's going to give me the values that I'm looking for, so I can invest more back into Shiba Inu, invest more back into Shibarium and the ecosystem. It's like within the Ship the Metaverse, there's so many projects I want to build within the Ship the Metaverse. Also for within Shiba cults, I want to create incentives and rewards for everybody, and also create funds or uh, like incentives that I can give back to you guys, people that comes in new, and have give them something so they can see that this is a movement that cares more than just about myself, but care about the community, care about helping people that been in a position where they struggle a little bit, and have run into several types of challenges, setbacks, and we can give them a positive start, or positive new start, and see that Shiba Inu and the Shibarim movement is something that bigger, because this is like when we look at what Satoshi and Ryoshi says, this is about creating a new world. Like, we have to think about, I don't want wars, I don't want the environment to suffer, but it is we as a community that has to change it. We have to be the differentiators that makes it all going to happen. And so don't focus on the price. Focus on where the ball is going. That's what I've been saying so many times. Look at where this is going, and that's when we see it. Like, I have been a long term holder. I'm going to be continue to be a long term holder. I'm 100%, not only 100%, I'm more than 100% confident that I will get the rewards. I will get to the point where I see that this is something that's going to make a difference in my life. And once start making a difference in my life, it's going to make a difference in my wife's life. It's going to make a difference in my family's life. It's going to make a difference in my community's lives. It's going to make a difference in your life, and it's going to make a difference in the charities I care about. That's what this is about. And to get there, I'm it's like, and I look at it, I won't lie, because yeah, I see what the fed puppets and the shadow cats is saying, but we can't let their narratives be the ones that steer or guide our emotions, because that's going to lead us down a road that we don't want to come. Because once you get into the fed puppets or the shadow cats narratives, you're going to be taken down the road of change. That's going to take you down to resistance. You're going to be taken down to sabotage, and you're going to end up sabotaging your own investments, which is just crazy. That doesn't make any sense to me. Look, why do I want to sabotage or resist my own process? I have to believe in something, and I believe in something that's bigger than myself. I believe in process. I believe in what in Ryoshi's vision. I believe in Satoshi's mission. I believe in Shiba Inu. I believe in Shibarim. I believe in the Shib army. I believe in us, we, the people. We are the one that's going to make this happen for all of us. And I hope you find this encouraging. But start making. If you like, I'm not at the point where I'm going to give investment advice, but it's like my philosophy. What I follow is that, as I said, I invest between $30 to $100 on a weekly basis, and over time this compounds and becomes a substantial amount, and which has become for me now. After I've been doing this for 2 years now, as I said, so over time this has become a substantial amount for me. This was nothing I put in one lump sum, because it was like that one lump sum, like $850 to 10,000. That's more than I can afford to lose at the moment in one time. But I can afford to lose $30. I can afford to lose between 30. It's like, yeah, more I put in, closer to $100, or sometimes more. Uh, More is just like if I lose how much $100, yeah, it will hurt a little bit, but it's not as much as if I lose as much as $850. So you have to see the differences. Like, be smart, do your own research, and look at the math. Like, I look at the math. I look at the statistic. You can go out to Coin Market Cap and find all the data you need. There's nothing secret. There's nothing hidden out there. No magic. It's like we. I didn't. It was like, if I'm gonna win, or if I'm gonna come to the point where I believe I will be. This has nothing to do with luck. It's when opportunity meets, it's the investments I put into this. So it, it's the preparation I have put in, done, to come to the point where when the opportunity shows, my preparation that I put in over 2 years now, maybe how long it will be, I don't know yet. But when that opportunity meets that preparation, that's one that overnight luck will show up, and I might become rich overnight. Uh, but the overnight when that happens is at least 2 years in progress. So you have to look at the bigger picture to get to where you want to be. So I encourage you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and get the Shiba Fun Facts that matters, that gonna help you get to where you want to be. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. If you have any comments, critical or positive, I'll take them both. Don't be afraid of sharing what you think. So, but until next time, come back here for more Shiba Fun Facts. Take care, and you have a great day.